welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to hide your threads when beading. So I'm going to show you how to do this and with this one as well, because you can see that these are two different things. Okay, so let's start with this one. So in order to hide your threads, you don't have to let it be shorter before you tie it. All you have to do is leave it a little longer so that you can get enough to enter the beads to hide them. Okay, so let me use this one. So just watch closely. So I will enter this bead here and enter this one. Hope you can see it in a zigzag manner. Okay, so you go this way, you come down. You go it left or right, you come down. So it shouldn't be straight like this. It should go in a zigzag pattern. Okay, so when you feel that you have entered enough beads and it's okay for you, then you cut it. So the same process. So when it goes straight like this, you can see that the thread becomes visible. Okay, so you just have to remove it from the second bead and then you enter the bead either downwards or upwards. Okay, all that you have to be aware of is that it shouldn't go straight. It should be in a zigzag pattern or zigzag manner. You cut. So after finishing these threads here, I will show you how to end your fishing line and to start with another fishing line. If you let your fishing line becomes much shorter, it becomes difficult entering the beads. So in doing this, it also makes the martin, the bead martin, to become more firm. And I already have a video on how to do this martin, so I'll leave the link in the description box so you can check it out if you haven't watched it. So now I'll continue with the beading and I will show you how to end your thread or your fishing line. Okay, so imagine your fishing line has become short at this point. All that you have to do is enter the next bead with your right fishing line. You pick two beads. You fix all the two on the left fishing line. and then you tie. Some people cross it and then pass the rest of the fishing line through, but for me, when I do that, I see that my work doesn't become firm, so I tie it and then enter some few beads, and then I will cut my fishing line. Like I said earlier, it should go in a zigzag manner, not straight. Okay, then you cut, and then you do same to the other fishing line, and then you cut. Now to continue with a new fishing line, so this is my new fishing line. So I will enter these two beads here. So I will enter this violet bead first and enter the white bead upwards, going up, okay, and you hold the ends to make sure they are equal, and then you continue with your work. I hope you understood it, but if not, that is why the comment section is there. Leave your comments. If you didn't understand anything, any question, just ask me in the comment section and I will respond as soon as possible. So this is it for this one. Now let's move on to this. Okay, so this process is different from this one. So in order to end your fishing line with this one, let me remove it and teach you. Okay, so in order to end your fishing line, I will enter these two beads with my right fishing line. Like this, and then pick 3 beads because each ring is made up of 6 beads, and so I'll pick 3 beads. Fix all the 3 on my left fishing line, and then I will tie a knot like we did with the other one. Okay, and then you pass or you enter the rest of your fishing line through. So if you want to know how I made this piece here, you can check my video on how I made the beaded table mat. I'll leave the link in the description box as well, or you can subscribe and hit on the notification bell because I will be uploading a video on how I use this one to make a bag, and so you wouldn't want to lose that. So kindly subscribe and hit on the notification bell. So I'm entering the beads. Now just cut. Now to continue, this, I've cut my new fashion line, and then I'll enter these 3 beads here. 1 2 3. So 1 2 and 3. You hold the ends to make sure they are equal as well, and you continue with your work. So this is it for today. Kindly subscribe, like and share the videos for others to also join the family. See you next time.